Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to install the XDA Navigation Gestures application that was created by the XDA developers. This application allows you to utilize full screen on your Android phone just like the iPhone 10 or 10s series. You can simply download the application on Google Play and install it, but there's a tricky part to it, which is removing the stock Android navigation bar. So I'm gonna go over it with you guys so that you guys will be able to have the full screen experience on your Android phone. It'll take about 10 to 15 minutes, and just so you know, this process applies to most of the flagship Android phones that are currently available in the market. So if you're sick of using the stock Android navigation bar or simply thinking of switching to the iPhone 10 or 10s just for the sake of having the full screen experience, this might be one of the best alternatives. Without further ado, let's get started. So that's it. It wasn't so hard, was it? I hope you guys have successfully installed the application and removed the stock Android navigation bar. And I'll be back with how to configure the size of the bar and the functions of the gestures in the next video.